have a... Who did we have? Here we have a lovely little bumblebee. She is gorgeous. A little one. This gorgeous bee is cooperating.
She's lovely. The size of her.
Get a little closer. Oh, without falling over. Not as gorgeous as you, though.
Oh, thank you,
Oh,
babe.
try not to fall over. Ah, fall over. I almost fell over then.
You do know if you're recording me, you're recording me to take pictures.
Yeah, I was recording you just taking pictures. What do you mean just taking pictures? Just taking pictures.
That is a bee. And I can tell you now, all bees are female.
The one's
Particularly
out.
worker bee, yeah, particularly worker bees.
Full of work. Oh, no, the workers are females, aren't they?
The workers are females.
There's just a small number of
Very.
males that can breed, that are produced. This is really nice, this part at Gibraltar Point.
Yeah, it is.
And I have no idea what these plants are called. I call them the purple ones.
Yeah, it's sea.
Yeah, because it'd be salty here.
Yeah, it's
It's gets flooded by the sea.
is it a little type of
I love Gibraltar Point. Awesome.
Gibraltar Point Nature Reserve that we've been to. Nice and clean.
So bye bye.
Bye bye.
No wave there. I don't get a wave.
Oh.
You're too busy with your bee. Love you.
I want to get a fly in, which is like really difficult. Come on, go fly for me. While I'm in focus, that would. She just keeps going from one flower to another and not flying. Oh, now she flies now, not right.
Just be patient. It flew then.
Yeah, but it went down. As in. You're still recording.
Absolutely, yeah.
Then? Get over it.
Never.
Get over, you dastard.
Look at this gorgeous day.
Evening.
Is it? It was day earlier. Oh, if the sun's still up, it's day. Oh yeah. That's more like it. You come in.
Right, close. Look at that. She loves big, isn't it?
Yeah.
You're a big girl.
No. She's just big boned.
She's lovely.
She's just a big boned one.
She's too close for me to take a picture of.
Cool. Where have you gone? Oh, she's
Right in front of you.
brilliant. Where'd she go?
Right behind you.
No.
We're up there now.
Chase the bee. Chase the bee.
She's the bee.
In a positive way. In a positive way. She's the star of the show.
She is.
Now where you going? Plants do make it
That's
difficult
nice to
for them.
find out.
Yeah.
She's the biggest bee, is it, the bumblebee?
No idea. Plants do make it difficult for them, just giving her a tiny amount of nectar. There's not any pollen sacs. No. Right, I am going to stop now because it's 5 minutes. Big away. Real this time.
The bees.
What is that?